Hey, good morning, everyone. Yeah, how are you today? Okay, nice to see you again. And now today we study English class, right? So before we study new lesson, I would like to review you. What did you study yesterday?
Yes, teacher. Yesterday we studied about TBLT, teacher.
Wow, classmate. Okay, thank you. Sit down.
Thank you,
Yes,
teacher.
you're right. Yesterday we studied TBLT, right? So today we will study the lesson. Next lesson is information gap, right? So, but today before we study the new lesson, I would like to confirm you about to buy a computer, but I don't know which one to buy. Our classroom too easy to teach or easy for you. So now I would like you to discuss about which one we should buy computer. Uh, you should buy a desktop or buy a laptop, right? Okay, before we continue lesson, so now make a group, two group, and which one talk about desktop or laptop, and then after that, which one should we buy? Okay, now let's make a group right here. Make a group discuss about lesson.
Okay, everyone. For me, I think we need a computer for our room. Which one is better?
What does your card say about desktop?
For me, I chose desktop because it is cheap and easy to put in our room for study together in our class.
I don't think so. My cat say computer desktop is very slow.
Look at my car's laptop. It fast, good for watching video.
But it costs too much money. We don't have enough school budget for laptop.
We can use it for many years. If we buy a fast one, let's buy laptop.
Yeah, I think so. You are right. Right now, a fast that a laptop is better for the whole class.
We are ready to.
After discussion, all classmates, I agree, it's laptop.
Okay, finish right? Yes. Okay, so now what is the reason? Which one that all of you want to buy desktop or laptop?
For me, it's laptop.
Yes, laptop, right? Okay. So after your discuss or your decision, I think laptop. So after that, next week we will see about the laptop. I will buy for the classroom. So now, okay, about the problem we solved already. So now, look at the lesson information gap. Finish. Stop it.
Thank you.